If you guys want to learn how to make your own Italy curl, then you guys can keep on watching. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make your own curl. So if you are a cosplayer and need a curl for your Italy wig or your Romano, or you just want to have a curl to represent your Hetalia-ness, then I will show you guys how. The materials you guys will be needing is wire to have strength and to hold up. Then we are going to coat it with Instamorph, which is this moldable plastic that we can mold like clay. And then we will need some clips for our curls to go onto so we can clip them into the wig or clip them into your hair. We need various paints to match the color of the wig or any paint you want. And lastly, Mod Podge to seal it all in, and some hot glue. So let's get started. So we are going to start off with making our base of our curl. So I already pre-made this curl and it's the normal Italy curl. So how you make your own curl is you want to get this very bendable wire that you, so then what you want to start doing is forming the shape you want. So if you want to have like a square curl, you just keep bending it and bending it. Have a simple curl. So the curl that I need personally is a heart curl. Valentine's Day is near and I thought it would just be perfect to do a video. So we are going to just start shaping it and do it in the heart shape. Now we have the base of our curl and it does not look perfect, but that's okay because the plastic will make it more clean cut. Now I'm just going to attach this to another wire because this wire isn't long enough and I don't have money to go out and buy, more wire. So I'm just going to take this short piece and wrap it around this wire. Then you just want to shape it into the shape of a curl. So there we have our base for our heart curl and we have our normal curl. So now we are just going to boil some water and insert our Instamorph. So I got my hot water and now I'm just going to stick my Instamorph in it. These are all clear, so they are now able to be molded. So now I'm just squishing them out and making them into a snake. We are going to start molding our plastic to our wire. Just wrap it around our wire. See, our curl is already starting to get there, so we are going to drop it back in the water so that the plastic can soften up again. So that's basically what we're going to be doing, is molding, dropping it back in, and molding and molding. It's a repetitive process, but you just keep going at it, and if your water gets cold, just heat it up again and keep going. Just going to overlay that onto our curl piece. See, our curl is slowly getting there. Have our heart curl shape. So both of our curls are shaped and we are just going to let them sit to the side and dry. So now that our curls have dried, it's time to paint them. So I have my wig here for reference of what color I want. So I'm going to create a shade with various paints. Got the paint mixture. I added a lot of paint, wasted a lot of paint. So I'm going to start on the heart one and we are just going to start painting it. Yes, that matches, hooray. My curls have done drying and I sealed them with Mod Podge, and now it's time to add them to our clips. So I just have my hot glue gun So what we are going to do is first we are going to take our clip. We're going to take our end piece and this little hole we have here. We're just going to move it through, then bend it down, and we are going to hold it like that while we put some hot glue. We're going to add some hot glue here too. Bend it to make sure it still bends, and we have one of our curls done. So let's go ahead and glue the other one to the other clip. Now that we have the curls done, all we have to do is add it to your hair or to the wig in my case. So first, I'm going to try out the normal Italy curl. So just clip that on. And it looks so cute. Now let's try the one that is very Valentine's Day themed, the heart curl. And there we go, we have our heart curl for Italy. So I have my wig on and it's time to check out how the curls look. So all you want to do is grab your curl and you want to move some hair along from your wig and you want to just clip it onto the wig cap. Just be careful that you don't pinch yourself. Then you want to cover it with hair. And there you go, you have your Italy curl on your wig. And of course, if you want your curl lower, you just have to put it lower. So you could just really experiment with how you want the curl to look. Italy's curl changes throughout the series, like it will go high and then it will go low. You guys can change it to your desired, how you guys want it to look. So this is the heart curl. And what I like about these curls is that they're bouncy. But just make sure no one touches it because the curl is sacred. No one should touch the curl. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video on how I make my Italy curls. If you guys like this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more because I have more videos on the way. Definitely Hetalia videos, all sorts of videos. So yeah, love you guys, and I'll check you in the next video. Bye.